Here are the last two questions for problem 4 and for your test. So these two questions have to do with the picture that you just drew. Remember, there were 6 people playing baseball, more came, and then there were 10. You had to find that you found that missing group, and now what you need to do for B is you need to write an addition sentence and a subtraction sentence that matches your story. So the picture that you just drew, on this line, I want you to write an addition sentence to match the story, and then over here, write a subtraction sentence to match the story. So one addition sentence and one subtraction sentence. Then what I want you to do here for C is write the addition sentence that you found when you solved. So take your addition sentence from up here and write it here, and then use the same 3 numbers to write 3 more number sentences. So at the end, you should have 4 number sentences that match the story. Okay, think about how many addition sentence you should have and how many subtraction sentences. It's like what we practiced in small group, where you have a number bond and you have 4 number sentences that go with it, okay? So up here, addition and subtraction, and then down here, write the 4 number sentences that go along with it. It's okay if you're rewriting some of those sentences from up here, okay? Do your best. Good luck.